Happy Monday. Hope y'all had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend. It was a beautiful weekend. Sunday's kind of dreary, rainy, but it's still warm, nice, okay? All right, so today what you're going to do, we're moving on through the Greeks. There's our pledge. Miss Hyde with our wonderful phonemic awareness. Guys, I hope you're really working through these. All of her videos are really going to make you a stronger reader and stronger with attacking those words, 5th grade words that you're going to hit next year. So I really hope you're paying attention to those. All right. Now, daily lives of the Greeks. Mr. E is going to talk to you about that and about what's on the website. All right. Then you're going to do a Venn diagram after hearing what Mr. E had to say. Now you're going to drag and drop in this Venn diagram, okay? Then you will have a flip grid, so you're going to compare your life to their life, okay? So you might want to jot a few things down, all right, and then talk about it in your flip grid, okay? How is your life like what theirs was like, and how is your life different? All right, so you're going to do a flip grid to compare that, to share that, your comparison. Okay, now, on this last slide, this was going to be an edge elastic, but I took it off, okay? And this is where I want you to go to the Mother's Day activities assignment, okay? There's 4 or 5 different things for you to do in there, but get through your regular day, then one of the assignments of the day I'm going to take off, and you can substitute, go back to your Mother's Day and do your poem one day, then do your cloud one day, then on 2 of the days you're just going to attach what you've already done. You've already made a Spark video, you'll attach that. You've already written your paragraph, you're going to attach that. So by Thursday you should be done, so that on field day you won't have any of this to worry about. We'll be finished by then, and on field day you won't have any assignment from literacy or math, I don't think, and it'll be just field day fun, okay? So that's why I want us to go ahead and work on these. So I took off the paragraph that you were supposed to write for this one, and you can work on your poem today for your Mother's Day. Okay? All right. Love you guys. There is a video. I made a video to explain everything on the Mother's Day assignments too. Okay? Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.